You won't need any followers, you won't need to do any selling, no producing of products, all this, and you can still get paid hundreds of dollars by using Instagram. In today's video, we're going to be walking you through this whole process step by step. This method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are, you can very much join in on today's method. This method is also great for beginners, so we definitely think that you should stick around. Now, today's method is completely free and it is undeniably great, except you won't become a millionaire with today's method, nor is it something that you can keep running long term. But if you do start with this, then your money-making online journey has only begun. So make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video and let's jump right into it. First step is to make sure that you have an Instagram account. If you don't, then make sure that you create one before continuing on with the rest of today's process. To do so, you'll just go on Instagram.com and then you're gonna see this. Click on sign up right here, then you'll see this. So go ahead and input whatever it is that they're asking of you. Your mobile number or email, full name, username, and password, and then hit on sign up, and just like that, you have yourself an Instagram account. You can download this obviously on your phone, and it works both for Android and iOS devices, so you can also create an account through your mobile phone. Before anything else, let's check out how many people in total visit Instagram just to determine how big this platform is and has become. So according to SimilarWeb, it is the 5th biggest app and around the globe. And the total visits of this website is up to 6 billion visits, which is just absolutely insane. Our next website is called Yazing.com. And as you can see, get paid for every purchase you make and influence online. And aside from that, this website caters to affiliate marketing as well, which makes everything 10 times better. You can find a lot of offers on this website that you can promote, and then you're gonna get a commission every time someone purchases something using your link. So what you want to do is to go ahead and sign up on this website by clicking on Join Now on the upper right corner, and then proceed to fill up all of the details that are being asked of you. Your username, your email, your password twice, and then hit on register now once that's complete. You can also join using your Facebook account if you would like that. Then once you are done signing up, you're gonna be asked to verify your email address. So just look for an email like this and then click on the link to activate your account, and boom, account created. And this is how it would look like inside. To the newcomers, where are y'all from? I would love to know. Comment it down below so I can use it as reference for my future videos as well. Now let's continue. So if you actually scroll down, you'll see all of the different products that you promote and earn commission from. You can easily just choose any of these and even all if you want. Then just select on promote to earn, since we have interest on getting cash back. Our purpose here is to earn money. You can actually see how much percentage of one purchase goes to you. So at least you know you're getting the money you worked for, and really choose what you want to promote. So for now, let's just choose BlockFi as an example. And as you can see, it can make me up to $500 per person that I am able to refer to their website. Now, before we continue on, we are going to suggest that you have to learn and to read more about the website that you actually choose to promote. And to do so, you're obviously going to have to go onto their website. So we have BlockFi, and as you can see, this is their website. Don't just buy Bitcoin, earn it. So BlockFi is the easiest place to buy, sell, and earn cryptocurrency. Sign up and start earning today. Now, you can obviously read some more and read it all if you can, but once you've gotten that out of the way, you can then click on promote to earn. Then you'll see your link. So copy that, and then we proceed to our next website, which is called snappa.com. And we've talked about this before, but to those who are new here, this website, it basically allows you to design anything at all. It allows you to design like Instagram stories or TikToks or Facebook posts and stuff like that. But to do so, you're going to have to sign up first as per instruction. And once you have an account, you can finally see all of the templates of different posts. And as you can see, like I mentioned earlier, we have Instagram story. That's exactly what we need. So that's what we're going to select. And once you click on Instagram, you're going to be brought to another page with even more templates, but this time only the ones specifically made for Instagram stories. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on, so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. Basically, just choose any random template that you want, and then you're supposed to now edit this according to promoting your link or your website. And since ours is BlockFi, we're making an Instagram story that basically explains BlockFi, and for example, make up to 8.25% on your investment annually. Best way to earn crypto online. So something like this. And now that we finally have our Instagram story, it's time to prepare it for posting. Now, go on to shoutcart.com next, and basically on this website, you can actually find influencers who have like millions and thousands and hundreds of followers, and who actually take in offers, like they're gonna promote those affiliate links for you, or they're gonna promote those things for you. Plus, they also promote it for very, very low prices as well. So all you really need to do is sign up on the website, and once you've signed up on the website, you can finally go ahead, look and scroll through all of the influencers, choose the one that you would like to post your affiliate link, and promote it for you, and for as low as $10. And that is basically it. Your money is literally gonna keep flowing on complete autopilot, and all you had to do was pay $10, and you're gonna have more than $10 coming in every single day. And that is everything. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video, because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off, because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me